If you are running a business or a blog, you know the biggest bottleneck isn't building the site, it's getting people to actually find it. Traditional SEO is slow, manual, and frankly exhausting, but things have changed. Today, I'm showing you Definite SEO, an AI powered WordPress plugin designed to automate the heavy lifting of SEO so you can focus on growing your business. I've partnered with them to give you an inside look at how this tool handles everything from keyword research to full on-page optimization using AI. Let's dive in. Most people spend hours on keyword research and tweaking meta descriptions, and then there's the fear of AI. You might have heard that Google hates AI content or that AI detectors are a benchmark for quality. Here's the truth. Google officially stated they prioritize helpful, high quality content regardless of how it's produced. Furthermore, research shows that AI content detectors are often unreliable and biased. Definite SEO is built on this philosophy, using AI to enhance quality, not just bypass effort. Setting this up is incredibly simple. Once you install the plugin on WordPress, the onboarding process is beginner friendly. The dashboard is clean, giving you a high level view of your site's SEO health without the cluttered UI you see in all the plugins. So now let's begin to the installation process and let me show you how to use the plugin. So first, I will show you that how you can get this plugin. So to get this plugin, you have to just go to their website, definiteseo.com. So once you will open the website, there will be an option get WordPress plugin. You have to simply click on it, and here if you want you can try their live demo. So this plugin is offering the live demo. It means you can check out all their features before purchasing the plugin. So to get the plugin, you have to simply click on this button, get Definite SEO for WordPress. So now here they have three plans. One is solo, another one is business, and the last one is agency. So like suppose if you are a person who wants to manage his own website and you are only having 2 to 3 websites, then I will suggest you to go with the solo plan. If you are a website designer or a freelancer and you have multiple clients and you have to also manage their SEO, then I will suggest you to go with business plan, because in this plan you are getting up to 20 websites. And let's suppose if you are having a marketing agency and you have multiple SEO clients, then I will suggest you to go with their agency version. So as of now, I will just go with their business plan. So simply I will click on get started, and here it is asking to pay, and yeah, it is for the yearly subscription. Okay, so simply I will click on the pay button, and here I will just enter all my details. And if you want their product updates via email, you can simply check on this button. So I will check it here. And now here the main thing is you have to just click on add discount, and you have to simply add the discount code NKM Digital 30. This discount code is also available in the description. After adding the code, you have to just simply click on the apply button, and here you will see that now you are getting $35.96 off. So please make sure that you add this coupon code for the discount, and after that you can simply click on continue. And here now it is asking for the card details, and you can just simply enter the card details along with your name and the other details, and you can click on subscribe now. After the payment, you will get the email regarding the information of your account. So after that you have to simply log in to the account. So let me log in to my account. So here now I am logged in to my account, and now to download the plugin we have to simply click on WordPress plugin, and here it is showing 2 versions. So we have to just download these both of the plugins. So I will simply click on download, and here it will start downloading. For this also I will just click on the download button, and here again it will start downloading the plugin. So once you have downloaded the plugin, you have to just come to your WordPress website and you have to add the plugin here. You can just add the plugin by clicking on add plugin, and after that simply you have to just click on upload plugin button, and you can choose the files from here. Here you have to just choose the zip file that you have downloaded. I have already installed the plugin, and now I will simply activate it. So let me activate the plugins. So after my plugins are activated, here it is showing the setup wizard. So here it will ask me for the details, And the UI here is very simple, but let me explain the steps so that it will be easier for you. So here it is asking for personal blog or a business website. So like suppose if you are having a blogging website, you can just go with the first option. Or like suppose if you are having a business website, or like if you are working on any of your client website, then you can simply click on business website. Okay, here you have to just enter your business name. So for me, I will enter NKM Digital. Okay, so now here you have to just add the logo for search engine. So here you have to just add the PNG file of the logo, and this logo will be for the search engine. Like suppose if your website is coming in search engine, then for that you have to add the logo here. After that, like here you have to add the image for social sharing. So like suppose if someone share your website in social media like Facebook or any other social media, then for that you have to add the image. So as of now, let me add the images. So as of now, I have just used some random images, but for you, please make sure that you follow these guidelines. And for social media image, please make sure that you add the image in this resolution for the better visibility of the image. Okay, and once it is done, now here you have to just click on this button, and here now it will show that this is a flow feature. So for that, what you have to do is you have to just click on this license button, and here you have to just add your license. So I will add my license here. After adding the license, I will just click on validate license, and here we can see that now my license is active. So again, I will just go to the setup wizard, and here I will again just enter my details. So after that, again I will just click on this button, and now here what you have to do is you have to just select the pages that belongs to these topics. For example, if you are having collection policies, then you have to just link the page from here. Okay, so as of now this is my dummy website, so I will just leave it empty, and here you have to just add your company information like your VAT ID, your tax ID. If you are in India, you can just add your GST number here, and you have to enter all the details. And like suppose if you are not having these details, then you can just leave it empty also. And after filling all that, you have to just click on save and next. And now here you have to just add the homepage title. So here make sure that you are adding the homepage title that is SEO optimized and contains your company name. So for me, I will just add NKM Digital, and here just for example I am adding this, and here you have to just add the description. So here I will simply add my description. So here I have just add a dummy description, but here also just make sure that like you are adding your company name and like you are adding all your keywords. And now simply I will click on save and next. And now here you have to just add the image. So this image will be for Facebook, Twitter and all other social medias. And now like suppose if someone will share your website on social media, then it will look like this. So here also you can just edit your homepage title and description. And this is one of the best thing of the plugins. Like what this plugin is doing, it is just showing all the details of your website so that you can make sure that your website is completely SEO optimized, not only for Google, not only for Bing, but for social medias and LLM models also. So again here I will just add my details, and here I will just add my description. After that again I will click on save and next, and here we can see that like we have added all the basic details of the website and we are good to go. So I will simply click on this button, go to dashboard. So now here it is showing that like what all points we can improve so that our website is completely SEO optimized. And again, like as compared to other plugins, like it is showing much more details so that like we can make sure that our website is completely SEO optimized. And that is the biggest reason that like why I am suggesting this plugin. This is a completely value for money plugin if you want to grow your website on search engine like Google, along with LLMs like Gemini and ChatGPT. So here you can simply click on these buttons and you can just simply like check out all the details, like what all issues are there in the website. So here, like for an example, let me explain you this issue. So here it is showing please select keyword within post. So here you can just simply click here to fix. And here now if I will see, then there is one dummy post, and like here I can see that the score is ended because like I have not added any keyword. So that's why like this is one of the major issue of the website. So that's why like it is showing this error. And simply in the page also, like here if I will click, then here I am having some default pages, and again like here I haven't added any keyword, so that's why like it is showing these errors. Now for the categories also, like I have not added any keyword, so that's why like it is showing this error. Okay, so later on we will fix all these issues, but as of now let us go through the basics. Okay, and again, like here you can just check out all the details, and like here it will show all the errors, like title for the homepage is poor, it should has some static text or valuable. And again, like if you have to just fix it, you have to simply click here, and here like it is showing poor. So here let me just add home. So here if I want, I can just add a variable, and simply I will click on this plus icon, and then I will simply click on the site title, and after that you can just add a separator. Okay, so now here it is showing like site title dash ncam digital, and now here it is showing good. So I will simply click on save changes. So like this you can just fix all these errors of the website. And again, like this is the plugin that is going deeply to the website, and like it is making sure to catch all the SEO errors that are related to your website, so that you can make your website best in terms of SEO. So you can just check out all the details from here. Now let us move to the pages, that how we can add keywords, how we can write meta title and description for the pages. So now I will simply go to the pages, and then I will click on all pages, and I will simply click on add page to add a new page. So here let me quickly add a dummy content about website development. So I have added the content here, and here we can see that now our SEO score is 37. So let us improve this score, and let us see all the features of this plugin. So now to set up the SEO of this page, we have to just simply click on it, and here it will just show all the details. So first let us see the point of improve. So here like it is showing all the details, like the keyword is missing in the meta title, the selected keyword is missing in the keyword appearance, because like as of now we haven't added any keyword. Like here it is showing all the details. Okay, so now first let us set the keyword. So to set the keyword, we have to simply click on keyword appearance, and now we can simply add our keyword here. And one of the best part of this plugin is like they have their own AI, and like it just search the internet, and it just display all the best keyword that are there related to your service or like related to your post, and you can simply select the keywords from here. And like this is really one of the best part of this plugin. So let me just select some of the keywords. So okay, as of now I will just select 2 keywords, but like you can just check out all the keywords, like they have a list of keywords, so you can just check out all the keywords and you can just add the keywords. So let me add this keyword also, and like suppose if you want, you can just add your own keyword also. So here I will just search for web development, and I will just add this keyword here. Okay, and again, like you can just check out all the related keyword and you can just add. I am just saying this again and again, like this is one of the most important feature, and like this feature is not there in any other plugin. Like according to me, like for the plugins in which I have worked on, like this feature is not available. So I will just close it, and now we have to just click on search engine view. Okay, so from here you can just add the meta title, the meta description, and the link of the page. So let me just quickly add the link. So I have added the link here. So now in the title you can just add some variables, or like you can just simply add a static title, or you can just use AI to generate your title. So again, I will just cancel this and I will use their AI feature to generate the title. So for that I will simply click on AI. So like here you have to just enter the basic detail. So like you can just add the details related to your page or like related to your company. So I will click on next, and here you can just manage the tone, the audience, and the style of the title. And like again, like this plugin is having a lot of features, so that's why like I'm making video on this plugin. So here now, like this is one of the best part of this plugin, because like here you can just choose the tone and the audience like according to your business, like what is the tone of your business, what type of audience you want to target. So as of now I will just keep it professional, and here I want to target businesses, so I will just choose this option, and now I will simply click on next. And here like I want the title in English, but here we are having all other languages also. So like suppose if you are having your website is Spanish or like German or like Hindi, so you can just choose the language from here and it will work fine for your website also. So again I will click on next, and here if you want to provide any information about the title, you can just add your tone or like you can just add the information, but as of now I will just leave it empty. And now again like I will click on next. So here now I will just click on this button to generate the title, and like here in the blog version we have some credits, so it will just use some credits to generate the title and the description. Basically, like for using their AI features we are getting credits, and like it will use some credits to just like generate the title and description, because like they are using their own AI and their AI is optimized according to the SEO practice. So like they have token system for using AI. So simply I will click on generate. So here it has just generated a title for me. If you want, you can just change this title, or like you can just click on regenerate if you didn't like this title. So like I will just change it to 2026, and now I will simply click on accept. So here you can see that now my title has been changed, and simply we can just change the description also. So here again I will click on AI button and I will just add all the details. So let me enter all the details quickly, and simply I will click on next, and again like these details are correct, so I will click on next. Again I will click on next, and here I will just click on this generate button. So here we can see like here it has just like the description also, and like here it is covering keywords also. Like suppose this is one keyword like website development service, okay, high performing sites, this is another keyword, okay, endgame digital solutions. Like suppose if someone is searching from my company keyword, so here like this is the best feature. Like they do not have just generalized AI, their AI is optimized for best SEO performance. So again I will just click on accept, and here I can see that like now my description looks good. So I will just click on close button, and here if I will see that now my score has been increased to 79. And now let me just check out point to improve. So here I have missing S2 tag, and like I do not have any images. So let me add one image. So I will simply add the image, and now let me add a h2 tag. So let me just change it to h2. Perfect. So now here you will see that now my score has been improved to 86, but still there are few points to improve. So let me check it. So like here it is showing missing image, title attribute, missing image, alt tag, and keyword are missing in the image file name. So simply let me add some keyword. So like this you can just check out all the details, and like you can make sure that your complete page is SEO optimized. Okay, so I will just choose this image. Let me go to media library. Okay, so I will just add the details. Okay, so let me do one thing. Let me work on all these issues, and let me make sure that my score is up to the mark, because like this plugin is having a lot of features, and like if I will try to cover each and every feature, then the video will be so long. So let me simply check out all these points, and I will just meet you after this. So now I have just worked on each and every point, and here you can see that now I am good and my SEO score is 100. So this is the best part of this plugin. Like this plugin has just deep down into the page detail, and like it has made sure that like I work on each and everything, like not only for the search engine but for social media and for LLM also. Like it has just shown me all the points, and like I have just removed all the errors one by one. So once all is done, you have to just click on this button, and again you have to just click on this button to publish the page. And now in future what I will do, I will just create a complete playlist for this plugin, because like there are a lot of useful features in this plugin. So for that, like please make sure that you subscribe to my channel. So I hope that now you got all the details about the plugin, and here also like it is now showing the SEO score 100 out of 100. And please let me know in the comment section if you have any issues, or like if you have any questions regarding the plugin. I hope you now have the complete details about the plugin. In terms of pricing, they offer plans that provide significant value, especially for agencies or power users who need to scale. This plugin helps in massive time savings and superior AI automation. If you are a blogger, freelancer, or agency owner looking to move faster, Definite SEO is a game changer. It removes the complexity of SEO so you can focus on your business strategy. Check the link in my description to try it out for yourself. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you want more guides on building a stable international business. I'll see you in the next one.